Let's dive deeper into the nutritional benefits of sweet potatoes. Did you know that sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants? These compounds help protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, sweet potatoes are a great source of manganese, which is essential for bone health and metabolism. Stay tuned as we explore more about this amazing root vegetable. Now, let's take a closer look at regular potatoes. While they may not have the same level of vitamin A as sweet potatoes, they are still packed with essential nutrients. Potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is crucial for a healthy immune system. They also contain significant amounts of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. Keep watching to learn more about the benefits of including potatoes in your diet. Cooking methods can significantly impact the nutritional value of both sweet and regular potatoes. While both types of potatoes are nutritious, the way you prepare them can either enhance or diminish their health benefits. It's important to choose cooking methods that preserve their natural goodness, and avoid those that add unnecessary fats and calories. For instance, baking or steaming potatoes can help retain most of their nutrients. These methods are gentle on the potatoes, allowing them to cook thoroughly, without losing their essential vitamins and minerals. Baking and steaming are particularly effective at preserving water-soluble vitamins, which can be lost in other cooking methods. On the other hand, frying potatoes can add unnecessary fats and calories. When potatoes are fried, they absorb a significant amount of oil, which can lead to a higher calorie content and increased fat intake. This can negate the natural health benefits of potatoes and contribute to unhealthy eating habits. First, let's dive into baking. Baking sweet potatoes and regular potatoes is a fantastic way to preserve their vitamins and minerals. The dry heat of the oven helps to concentrate the flavors and nutrients, making baked potatoes a delicious and healthy option. Plus, baking is incredibly easy and requires minimal preparation. Simply preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, scrub the potatoes clean, poke a few holes with a fork, and bake for about 45 minutes. This method works well for both sweet and regular potatoes, and you can even bake them together if you like. The result is a soft, fluffy interior with a slightly crispy skin. The result? A delicious, nutrient-packed treat that's perfect for any meal. Baked potatoes can be enjoyed on their own, or topped with a variety of healthy ingredients like Greek yogurt, chives, or a sprinkle of cheese. They make a versatile side dish, or a satisfying main course. Next up, steaming. Steaming is another excellent method. It helps maintain the potatoes' natural flavors and nutrients. Steaming is particularly good for preserving the texture and color of the potatoes, making them look as good as they taste. Just place your chopped potatoes in a steamer basket over boiling water, cover and steam for about 20 minutes until they're tender. Steaming is a quick and efficient way to cook potatoes, and it requires no added fats or oils. You can steam both sweet and regular potatoes, and they'll come out perfectly tender every time. You can add herbs and spices for extra flavor without the extra calories. Fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and parsley can enhance the taste of steamed potatoes, while spices like paprika, garlic powder, and black pepper can add a bit of a kick. The best part is that you can customize the flavors to suit your preferences, and don't forget about boiling. While boiling can cause some nutrient loss, especially of water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C, it's still a better option than frying. Boiling is a simple and straightforward method that can be used for both sweet and regular potatoes. To minimize nutrient loss, try boiling your potatoes with the skin on and use the least amount of water possible. The skin helps to protect the nutrients inside the potato, and using less water reduces the amount of vitamins that leach out during cooking. Once boiled, you can use the potatoes in a variety of dishes, from mashed potatoes to potato salads. Looking for a quick and healthy recipe? Try making roasted sweet potato wedges. Roasting is another great method that brings out the natural sweetness of the potatoes and gives them a delightful crispy texture. Cut your sweet potatoes into wedges, toss them with a bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. This simple preparation allows the natural flavors of the sweet potatoes to shine through, and the olive oil helps to crisp up the edges while keeping the inside tender. Roast at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and packed with nutrients. Roasted sweet potato wedges make a fantastic side dish or a healthy snack, and they're sure to be a hit with both kids and adults. By choosing healthier cooking methods, you can enjoy the full nutritional benefits of both sweet and regular potatoes. Whether you prefer baking, steaming, boiling, or roasting, there are plenty of ways to prepare potatoes that are both delicious and good for you. Stay tuned as we compare their health benefits in the next chapter. We'll delve deeper into the specific nutrients found in sweet and regular potatoes and how they can contribute to a balanced diet. Let's talk about the incredible versatility of both sweet potatoes and regular potatoes in the kitchen. These humble root vegetables are staples in cuisines around the world, and for good reason. Not only are they affordable and easy to find, but they also offer a blank canvas for a wide variety of creative and healthy recipes. Whether you're looking for comfort food or something light and nutritious, potatoes can be transformed to suit any meal or occasion. Both types of potatoes can be used in a wide range of dishes, from savory to sweet. Think about classic mashed potatoes, crispy fries, or even a decadent sweet potato pie. The possibilities are truly endless, and each preparation brings out different flavors and textures. Sweet potatoes, with their natural sweetness and vibrant color, can add a unique twist to traditional recipes, while regular potatoes provide a hearty, satisfying base for countless dishes. In this chapter, we'll share some creative and healthy recipe ideas that you can easily incorporate into your meal plan. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or a group of friends, these recipes are designed to be both delicious and nourishing. Let's start with soups, which are perfect for any season and can be customized to your taste. Try adding diced sweet potatoes to a hearty vegetable soup for a touch of natural sweetness and a boost of vitamins. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which is great for your eyesight and immune system. Their creamy texture blends beautifully into broths, making your soup both filling and flavorful. You can also experiment with spices like cumin, coriander, or ginger to enhance the soup's aroma and taste, or blend roasted regular potatoes with garlic and herbs for a creamy, dairy-free potato soup. Roasting the potatoes first brings out their natural sweetness and gives the soup a rich, earthy flavor. Add a splash of olive oil, some fresh thyme, and a sprinkle of black pepper for a comforting bowl that's perfect on a chilly evening. Potato soups are also a great way to use up leftover vegetables. Just toss them in and blend for a wholesome meal. Potatoes aren't just for hot dishes, they're fantastic in salads too. Toss roasted potato cubes, sweet or regular, into your favorite salad for extra fiber and flavor. Roasting brings out their natural sugars and gives them a crispy exterior, which pairs perfectly with fresh greens and crunchy vegetables. Combine them with leafy greens, beans, and a tangy vinaigrette for a filling lunch or dinner. You can add ingredients like cherry tomatoes, avocado, or toasted seeds for even more texture and nutrition. Potato salads are endlessly customizable. Try adding feta cheese, olives, or a handful of fresh herbs to make it your own. These salads are not only satisfying but also make great leftovers for meal prep. Looking for something unique to start your day? Make a potato breakfast hash. This dish is a fantastic way to use up any leftover vegetables you have in the fridge, and it's endlessly adaptable to your taste preferences. Sauté chopped potatoes with onions, bell peppers, and a sprinkle of paprika. You can also add mushrooms, spinach, or even a bit of smoked sausage for extra flavor. The potatoes get crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, making every bite satisfying and delicious. Top your hash with a poached egg for a satisfying start to your day. The runny yolk adds a creamy richness that ties all the flavors together. This breakfast is not only hearty but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized all morning, and don't forget about dessert. Potatoes, especially sweet potatoes, can be the star ingredient in a variety of sweet treats. Their natural sugars caramelize beautifully when baked, making them perfect for healthier desserts. Sweet potatoes can be mashed and mixed with cinnamon and a drizzle of honey for a naturally sweet treat. Add a pinch of nutmeg or a splash of vanilla extract for extra warmth and depth of flavor. This simple dessert is not only delicious but also packed with fiber and antioxidants. Or try baking sweet potato brownies for a healthier twist on a classic dessert. The sweet potatoes add moisture and richness, allowing you to use less sugar and fat than traditional recipes. You can even sneak in some whole wheat flour or chopped nuts for added nutrition and crunch. Whether you're making a comforting soup, a vibrant salad, or a tasty dessert, potatoes can be the foundation for countless delicious meals. Their adaptability means you can experiment with flavors, textures, and cooking methods to suit your preferences and dietary needs. There's truly a potato recipe for every occasion, from casual weeknight dinners to festive gatherings with family and friends. Sharing these dishes can bring people together and create lasting memories around the table. So, get creative in the kitchen and discover all the delicious ways to enjoy both sweet and regular potatoes. With just a little imagination, you can turn these everyday ingredients into extraordinary meals that are as nourishing as they are flavorful. Happy cooking! In conclusion, both sweet and regular potatoes have their unique nutritional benefits. Sweet potatoes are a great source of fiber, vitamin A, and antioxidants, while regular potatoes provide vitamin C, potassium, and other essential nutrients. The key is to enjoy both types of potatoes in moderation and choose healthy cooking methods. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty science tips. Sweet potatoes versus regular potatoes. It's a classic debate that's been going on for years. Both are beloved staples in kitchens around the world, but when it comes to health, which one really comes out on top? Let's dig in and settle the score once and for all. Which one truly deserves the crown as the healthier choice? Is it the vibrant, orange-fleshed sweet potato, or the humble, familiar white potato? The answer might surprise you. First, let's talk nutrition. Both sweet potatoes and white potatoes are packed with nutrients, but their profiles are a bit different. Understanding these differences can help you make the best choice for your health and your taste buds. One medium sweet potato has about 103 calories, 24 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of fiber. But what really sets it apart is its vitamin A content. Just one sweet potato provides over 400% of your daily vitamin A needs, thanks to its rich supply of beta-carotene. That's a huge boost for your vision, skin, and immune system. A medium white potato, on the other hand, clocks in at around 110 calories, 26 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber. It's a bit higher in calories and carbs, and it doesn't offer much vitamin A at all. But don't count it out just yet. White potatoes have their own strengths. Concerned about blood sugar? That's a smart thing to consider, especially if you're watching your carb intake or managing diabetes. The type of potato you choose can make a difference. Sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index than white potatoes, which means they cause a slower, steadier rise in blood sugar. This makes them a better option for people who want to avoid blood sugar spikes and crashes. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, the antioxidant that gives them their bright orange color. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is essential for a strong immune system, healthy skin, and good vision. Plus, antioxidants help protect your cells from damage. Regular potatoes, while lacking in beta-carotene, are still a great source of vitamin C and potassium. Vitamin C supports your immune system and helps your body absorb iron, while potassium is crucial for heart health and muscle function. So, white potatoes definitely have their own nutritional perks. When it comes to fiber, sweet potatoes take the lead with twice as much as white potatoes. More fiber means better digestion, improved gut health, and longer-lasting fullness after meals. But don't forget, both types of potatoes are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless delicious ways, from baked to mashed to roasted. The real key to making potatoes healthy, it's all in the preparation. Baking, roasting, or steaming your potatoes with minimal oil, and skipping the heavy butter or cream keeps them nutritious and waistline friendly. Avoid deep frying or loading them up with cheese and bacon if you want to keep things healthy. So, which is healthier? The answer depends on your personal health goals and taste preferences, but there are some clear winners in certain categories. Sweet potatoes win for fiber, vitamin A, and blood sugar control. They're especially great if you want to boost your immune system, support your eyesight, or keep your blood sugar steady. But don't write off white potatoes. They're still nutritious, affordable, and packed with vitamin C and potassium. When prepared healthily, they can absolutely be part of a balanced diet. So next time you're at the store, don't feel like you have to choose just one. Mix it up, enjoy both, and remember to cook them in ways that keep their natural goodness intact. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. For more tasty science tips, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring the delicious world of food.